Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a really long video, and I'm really excited. BTS had their comeback show, and they performed not only Fake Love, but they also performed Airplane Part 2 and Anpanman, which are two of my favorite songs on the album. Like, my favorite on Love Yourself Tier, like if you watched my first listen video, and if you didn't, you better go watch it. My favorite song was 13:43:40, but I mean, I wasn't expecting a comeback stage for it or anything because it's not really one of those songs. But yeah, I'm really excited to see these stages. They also performed Fire and Best of Me, so I guess I'm just gonna be reacting to their newer songs. We're gonna start with Airplane Part 2, which I am so excited about because it is literally like the Latin vibes of the song. Oh, the Mexican in me comes out. Oh my god. And by the way, for copyright reasons, the videos are going to be like heavily edited, so I'm sorry about that. I will leave the links to the original videos below, which you guys should totally check out because they are all amazing. But yeah, let's just do this. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I love this song. If somebody gets a lap dance on that chair, I'm going to die. No shit. Oh, oh, get it, Jungkook. Oh, oh, he invited the 15. Oh shit. Somebody told me that there were gonna be like ship dances in this, and I'm not ready. If they're so fit, I will fucking die. Oh shit, Jimin. He looks so good. Oh. Oh my god, there's a fan chant for this. I'm dead. Yeah. Namjoon, what? Oh, did you guys see Jin's outfit? What the hell? That is so cute. Wow, the Namjoon, my heart hurts. Oh, this dance. Oh, is that Yoongi in the hat? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, he just thrust it at me. This dance. Oh my god, this is so hot. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so cute, what the hell? Oh fuck, don't give me that look, Jungkook. Oh, 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 oh. Oh shit, it's my favorite part, it's my favorite part, it's my favorite part. Ah, Yuki holding the mic up for him. And Jimin. Oh, oh, it's your time to shine, baby. Oh, oh. Oh shit. Oh, getting hot already. I'm so proud of him. Oh my god, they really made a part 2 for his song. God bless J-Hope. Oh shit. Ah! Yoonmin? Oh, this is so cute. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, Sugarmon. My multi-ship and heart is dead. He looks so good. Oh, I can learn this. When are they gonna do that? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, this is such a cute dance. Did he just like breathe at me? Oh my god, Jin is flawless. He sounds so beautiful. Oh shit, this is hot, this is hot, this is hot. Oh, oh Jungkook, oh, don't wreck me like that. I already have too many records. Oh, oh. That was so hot. Oh my god! Hope you don't look at me like that. Oh my god, that was so hot. I need a minute. They just made me their bitch with that song. That I didn't like. Oh, we been knew that it was a sexy song, so of course there was gonna be a sexy dance. But oh my god, I wasn't expected to be snatched up like that and like. Oh, I just punched my laptop. Guys, I'm just really shook. That was. I don't think I'm ready for Anpanman. Oh my god. Yoongi's hat especially. Oh my god. Can he keep that outfit? I think that was my favorite Yoongi outfit that I've ever seen, like, in a while. There's a lot of Yoongi outfits I love, but that one, like, it just made its way to the top. I might have to make, like, a freaking K-pop journal entry about his outfit specifically. But, oh my god, Jungkook, too. And I'm just proud of Hobie because Airplane was one of my favorite songs on Hope World. And to, like, have, like, BTS do a part 2 for one of his songs, that's so special. Like, they're all talented. I love my talented kings. But yeah, so next is Anpanman, and I'm really excited for it. I feel like we're gonna be getting like go-go vibes almost, except maybe they'll outdo go-go. I don't know, we'll just have to see. I'm really excited. Their outfits, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh! Oh my god, it's already gonna be better than go-go, I know it. I can't compare them though, I like them both. Oh! Oh! Hobie's outfit is my fave, what the heck, that is so cute. Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god, Jungkook! Oh! Oh, Yoongi! Oh! Oh, Jimin looks good! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Oh, that dance! I need to learn this dance already. I'm not ready for the chorus. Oh my god, oh my god. Ah! Waiting for you. Oh! I did the move! Oh! Oh shit, oh shit! This dance is so good. I'm learning this dance. I'm calling it right now. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my god. This is so cute. Oh my god, they're shaking their booties at me. Oh, this is so fucking cute. This is so cute. Oh my god, I love this song and now I just love it even more. Oh shit, now I'm doing events at Orange. Oh, king. Oh, what's this? Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, that was adorable. Oh, oh, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. I need my army bomb. Ooh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, this is so fucking cute. Oh! This is so cute. I'm literally gonna cry. Oh, 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 get it, baby! Oh my god, Jungkook invented Anpanman. We stand. Look at me. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. You rollin', rollin', sit it back. Oh my god, this is so... Oh, I think this is my favorite dance by BTS now. Oh my god. New generation, get it, baby. I'm so good. shit. Oh my god. I'm cheesing too hard. It hurts. Oh, he looks so good. Oh my god, Jungle. I'm in such a good mood now. Oh my god, that song puts me in a good mood, and now that dance puts me in a good mood, and I'm totally gonna learn it. So y'all gotta check out my dance Instagram because that will be up soon. Oh my god. They really... How do BTS manage to keep outdoing themselves like that? That is ridiculous. How do they do that? Teach me your ways. Oh, I need another minute. You know, I need a break from BTS. And wow, you know what pops up? The Tomato song pops up. So I guess that's what I gotta listen to for my break. This is like, this vine is literally my envision of Anpanman every time I hear Anpanman, like literally. I hate my life. Alright, so we are down to the final video, finally. Wow. I'm literally, my last two brain cells are slowly giving up on me, so let's just watch the fake love comeback stage. I'm shaking just like when I watched the fucking fake love music video for the first time. I can't. Oh, BTS has me shook, you guys. They really did that with those 3 stages. You know, I can't even choose a favorite stage out of those 3 because they were all so freaking amazing in their own way, and they were all pretty one of a kind, and BTS are literally the kings of everything. I'm so happy to be a stan. I know it's a head ass, but I'm so happy to be a stan of BTS. I literally, my life would never be the same without them. And I say that about like literally every new fandom I join, like One Direction, 5 Stars, 21 Pilots and shit, like, but BTS truly, whew, they have made me a new person. And wow, I'm just at peace right now. I feel good, I feel amazing, I feel hot and bothered. I'm gonna go beat my meat after this video because of all those videos. Wow, I just love them so much. But let me know what you guys thought, because you guys know what I thought about BTS already. Oh, because I never shut up about them. If you guys have any more video requests for me to do, just let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, show your mom, show your dad, show your dog. And I will see you guys next time.